Yo, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your Windows PC from a Mac using the official Windows app. You'll be able to remote into your Windows computer from a MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or even an iMac. First things first, hop on the Mac App Store and install the Windows app on your Mac. Once it's installed, crack it open. Under the Devices section, hit that plus button up in the top right corner and choose Add PC. Now you gotta set up the connection. Type in your Windows PC's IP address. Don't know it? No worries. On your Windows machine, open up Command Prompt, type ipconfig, and grab the IPv4 address. That's the one you'll drop into the PC name field. Next, make sure Remote Desktop is allowed on your Windows PC. Head over to Settings, then System, then Remote Desktop. Flip that toggle on and just leave the rest of the settings as they are. Cool, now you're ready to connect from your Mac. Back on the Windows app on your Mac. Set credentials to Ask when required. Friendly name is optional, so do it if you want. For group, pick Saved PCs. Gateway, leave it on No Gateway, unless you're actually using one, in which case punch in your gateway IP and set it up. Basically, a gateway links two different networks together. If you don't need it, just skip it. Once you've filled that out, hit Add. Now just double-click or right-click and hit Connect. Boom, your Mac will start firing up that remote connection. Enter your Windows username and password, wait a sec, and you're in. If your username's wrong, open up Command Prompt on your Windows machine, type WOAMI, and hit Return. That'll show your username. Running into connection errors? Double-check every setting again. If you get a certificate verification pop-up, click Show Certificate. Under Trust, set when using this certificate to Always Trust. Then continue. Your Mac might ask for your login password. Go ahead and type it in. Now your Windows desktop should pop up full screen on your Mac. You can minimize or bounce out of full screen whenever you want. From this window, you can even copy files and folders back and forth between your Windows PC and your Mac. If your Windows PC's resolution looks whack, fix it like this. Right-click on your saved PC in the app. Click Edit, then go under Display. Choose a higher resolution or tick Optimize for Retina displays for better color quality. Save it, and that's that. Now just right-click again, reconnect to your Windows PC, punch in your username and password, and you're good. That's the full setup. Easy way to remote into your Windows PC from a Mac. Hope you dig this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide updates.